Hi everyone, today I will show you how to add payment method on Wix website. First step is to go to your Wix account, hover your cursor to the website you want to edit, and click on Select Site. Then, on the left toolbar, click on Settings. Look for the Finance and Payment section, then click on Accept Payments. Before anything else, on the upper right, click on your business location and make sure that you have the right location as each country accepts different kinds of payment methods. After choosing, you will see all the payment methods you can connect to. You can see more if you click on it at the bottom. Now, just connect the payment method you want. Among these options, just choose depending on your product and click on Accept and Continue. Then you can choose what specific payment methods you want and click Continue. Just a reminder that to fully use this feature, you need a premium account on Wix, but you can still follow these steps to add a payment method. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.